Hey guys, welcome back to the Nature Channel. Oops, hold on. Okay, well, let's get started. Today, I like before subscribe, leave a like, and then hit the bell icon when you subscribe. Today we'll be doing what is the best chocolate. Okay, let's start off with Three Musketeers. Open this. Paint open this thing. Okay. I have to give that. That's good. Look at that's good. I'm gonna milk you. Three Musketeers is good, man. I definitely recommend that one. Okay, let's do a different type of Milky Way. It's not the same type. The other one's the normal type. And this one... Wait, I don't know. Well, this is a different type of Milky Way. It's good. Oops, my bad. This is a Musketeer. This is Milky Way. I have two different types of Milky Ways. I'm gonna have to give that a good. It's the normal time. It's the normal type. Okay, let's do the next one. This is a different type. This is Milky Way Minis medium light hit. I don't know. That it's different apparently. It's more dark chocolate. It's darker and white. That's quite good. I wasn't sure if this one would be. It's quite good too. Okay, let's move on to the next one. Well, I recommend it. Twix. Hold on. I'm gonna try to open. Oh, and happy Valentine's. Because when this is posted, it's gonna be Valentine's Day. This is a Twix, by the way. Almost got it. Almost got it. That's good enough. They're too crunchy for me. I'm gonna give it a okay. I don't like it, maybe you might, but yeah. I don't recommend this one. Okay, let's do is Snickers. Okay, let's get started. Quite good. I'll give it a good. I recommend it. Now we're on to Whopper? I don't know. Whooper? I don't know. Yeah, real hard to get open. Wait. I might skip this one to be honest. I can't seem to get it to open. Ah, there it is. Okay. I'm gonna give these a no. I don't like them. Okay. Hold on a minute. Sorry about that. Hold on. It's not good. I couldn't finish it. It's too bad. So I'm gonna give it thumbs down. It's not good in my stew. I don't know. It's just not good. Let's continue on. Milky Duds. Never actually had these. Okay, it's good, but it's a little too chewy. But anyways, I like it. Milky Dudder, yes. Too chewy. But it's a little chewy for me. Okay, these are M&M's with nuts in them. Hi, Pac-Man. I said hi, Pac-Man, because the thing's right over there. I might give him a medium. I like it. I'm just a medium-ish for nuts. I don't know. My final one, Reese Cuts. Oh, it's really going on longer than that. Reese Cups. I like it. I'll give it a good thumbs up. Quite good. I recommend it. Well, I guess anyways, thank you guys for watching. The Nature Channel out. Bye.